Hello, Brianna. I want to ask you a couple questions.
Hi.
What is an SLC?
An SLC is a small learning community, and basically in ELA with Ms. Katz, we sit down and we're in a group of 7, and basically we just debate on issues that Ms. Katz gives us, and
Okay. What is your role in the SLC?
my role is connector, and I think that I'm a connector because I like to, I guess, connect things. Like, for example, during social studies, I like to connect different details about social studies to ELA and other types of subjects.
Okay. What do you do to complete your role?
Well, I keep the group on task, and I try to ask more questions so the conversation goes on longer.
What are some ways you work well as an SLC?
Well, one way that we work good as an SLC is by working together and listening to each other speak.
What are you working on to improve?
I'm working on trying to let everyone speak because sometimes I would cut people off so I can finish my thought, and sometimes other people cut me off because they need to say something, but I haven't finished my thoughts, so that was it.
Okay. Thank you, Brianna.
You're welcome.
Okay. What the?
Wow, great job, guys.
It's not stopping.